Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Yamaha FZ-07. This Street Fighter naked sport bike just arrived with only 6,300 miles. It's got a really awesome carbon fiber body kit. Wait till you hear that M4 exhaust system. Fuel injected, twin cylinder, 6-speed transmission. It's got really cool purple highlight wheels and they match the frame. Frame sliders, fender eliminator, adjustable levers. This bike is really cool. Come on by, make your FZ-07 dreams come true for just $74.90. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.